All right, find the slope of a line that goes through the given points. Now, you should know how to find the slope. There's two ways you can do it. The first way is you could make a graph. You could graph these two ordered pairs. You could count how many up and down you have to move and how many left and right you have to move. Or you could simply just use the slope formula. I'm going to start by labeling. And then I'm going to know that my slope formula is y minus y over x minus x. And again, some of you are all about those little subscripts. I am so not all about them, so it doesn't matter to me which one you use. But you have to start with y. So I'm going to start with this y because it's positive and it's a larger absolute value. So I'm going to do 2 minus a negative 6. Okay, that's where a lot of you are going to go wrong. It's always going to be minus, and then that negative has to be goes with the number. Over, if I start with 2, I've got to start with 4. So 4 minus 2. Minus a negative becomes a positive. So you actually really have 2 plus 6, which 2 plus 6 is 8. And then 4 minus 2 happens to be 2. Now you also have to remember to simplify. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So my slope is 4 or 4 over 1. So let's say you were one of those people, though, who were adamant in the fact that you have to do the second y first. Okay? And so m is going to be equal, if you have to put the second one first, that would be negative 6 minus a positive 2 over 2 minus 4. Negative 6 minus 2 happens to be negative 8. And 2 minus 4 happens to be a negative 2. Well, negative 8 divided by negative 2 gets me a positive 4. So it doesn't matter which y you start with as long as you have an ordered pair here and an ordered pair here. So, and those ordered pairs are the same. So it's more about being consistent than it is about caring which one we start with.